In this video tutorial, I will show you demo of a simple game. In my next videos, I will teach you how to build this game in Java by using NetBeans IDE. In this game, user or player have to hit a square that appears on the game screen on different locations. Player has to score as many hits as possible within a specific time limit. When time elapses, the game shows the hit count, i.e. your score, on screen. Now I show you the demo of the game on screen. You can see that a square is being appeared on the screen on different locations. When you hit the square, a red cross appears. This means that you have hit the square correctly. After the time reaches to 0, your score appears on screen. At the end of the game, you can see the score at bottom right of the screen. You can see the score here. In my later videos, I will show you how to develop this game. Please subscribe my videos so that you can keep updated. Thank you.